Hi, this is Linda Colson and I'm speaking to you from the Chicago Gift Show. Today I'm going to talk to you about Taggies. Those of you who have attended a gift show with me know that I focus a lot on Taggies at a show because I think it's a great opportunity for us as we try to build new business. If you don't know about Taggies, you need to get familiar with it. The Taggies story is easy to tell, and I'm going to tell you my version of it so that you'll have something to think about when you convert it to your version. First of all, the main thing you need to do is have this sample. Why? Two reasons. Number one, it's our best-selling item. And second, it's the perfect item to use to tell the Taggie story because everything is printed on the back of the backer card. For example, Julie and Danielle founded Taggies. They were friends. They had babies about the same time, and they noticed that their babies loved the satin binding around the outside of the blanket, and in particular, the tags on the product. So they made a blanket. There's a picture of the blanket that they made as well. They sewed tags all the way around the blanket. They gave it to their friends. Then they took it to craft fairs. Then they got some really, really good advice, and they patented the idea, which means now the only way you can get Taggies is to get these tags around the product, the loops, is to buy it from Taggies or someone that they've given the rights to manufacture the product. We have the license to make the kinds of things that we make. We make soft toys, rattles, sleepy fleece, some really fun things incorporating this Taggies concept. As I said, this is our #1 selling item. It squeaks, it rattles, it has the tags, and it even has a mirror on the back. That's why it's called the See Me Rattle. Taggies is a great opportunity. I've just recently read that the baby category is as close to being a recession-proof category of product as there is out there. And Taggies is a big part of what makes our baby business the fastest growing part of our business. So when you're out there looking for new opportunities, think of Baby from Mary Meyer, and in particular, think of Taggies. Taggies is a way for you to differentiate yourself from your competition. We're the only company that sells Taggies. Aurora can't sell Taggies, Ty doesn't sell Taggies, you can't get Taggies from Gund. You can get Taggies from Mary Meyer. So it's a great way for you to differentiate yourself from your competition so that you're just not selling a commodity. So last but not least, don't forget, this is the sample that you need to help you explain the story. Get familiar with the story so you can tell your version. Remember that Baby will be a great opportunity for you, and in particular, the Taggies brand is a great brand and a great way for you to get new business.